Human and livestock industry is interconnected, and livestock industry is not easily approached area. Disease cannot be prevented 100%, so the mortality rate also exists. At the end of the day, it affects us when livestock disease is not properly treated at the right timing, like COVID-19, which is a mutated virus. Farmhouses and manpower are declining, while on the contrary, number of livestock per farm is increasing. This causes labor shortage in livestock industry. Many new devices and equipment are introduced to replace manpower. However, devices are expensive and not everyone is familiar with this new technology. So this is where farmsplan comes into play. What you need is simply a CCTV installed on a farm without any further accessories. We use comprehensive solution where AI, bio, and veterinary science is all combined. Through CCTV, AI monitors livestock 24/7 and sends alarm when there are any abnormalities. By using AI, farmsplan can detect abnormal behavior and disease at the early stage. With this process, antibiotic usage will decrease along with the mortality rate. By reducing mortality rate of the livestock, we also pursue One Health, an approach that recognizes that the health of people is closely connected to the health of animals and our shared environment. farmsplan pursues One Health.